Hi everyone and welcome to Electric Design. Today we'll be refreshing the 2021 Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 design is a great success. I personally really like almost any detail, especially on the side profile, with the 3-section shoulder line reminding me of a cheetah's back spine silhouette and the leaf-like shape of the side windows unit. But nothing is perfect, and I have this issue with the headlights. Their shape is too complex comparing with other elements, which has a simpler silhouette with pointy edges and a slight curvature mixed together beautifully. My redesign will be based on 3 major inspirations: the Tesla Roadster, the Maserati GranTurismo, and Kim Kardashian. Yeah, I really meant that. Let's start with the front and move on to the rear end later on. I changed the headlight's shape to resemble a triangle, with pointy edges with a slight curve on the inner edge similar to the shape of the DRLs as well as the taillights. The main element I added is the curvy chrome graphics from the Tesla Roadster, continuing the crisp line on the front fender and curves nicely around the main light unit. I placed the turn signal at the far side of the headlight in order to create 3 major lines to resemble the number 3, of course. The second issue I have is the front bumper air intake. The connection between the bodywork has just a slight depth, reminds me of a 90s Japanese bumper designs, and I don't really like it. So I deleted those connections and kept a continuous opening stretching between both sides of the front fascia with almost vertical curve, like in the Maserati GranTurismo. This element makes the upper section of the front end to look like it's floating, as well as adding a bit of a cheeky smile to the overall look. I also stretched the air intake outer silhouette towards the headlight, like in the Tesla Roadster. The last element I revised in the front is the middle section. I added a quite serious curve in order to reflect the lack of traditional grille, as well as adding a botoxed lips-like shape to the overall look, similar to the ones Kim Kardashian have on her face. Let's move to the back end. I have no real issue with the back end design. On the contrary, I really like Tesla's back end's design, with crisp horizontal lines and a high and wide stance. But I wanted a much more pronounced presence, adequate to the fact that the Model 3 is one of the most important cars ever produced. So I added 3 major horizontal lines connecting the lights elements in order to continue the stretched and even theme of the back end, as well as resembling the number 3 again, like I did in the front. I took some inspiration from the Lincoln models, but I placed the horizontal light bar connecting the 2 taillights on the bottom instead of the top, comparing with Lincoln's design theme, and even resemble the chrome strip connecting the Model S and X taillights. So I kept on and stretched the reflectors from side to side, as well as the center brake light, with a slight curvature going along with the back window shape. Think about how impressive this light signature will perform at night. No one will miss it on the road. And considering the fact that the Model 3 is probably quicker than most cars, the majority of drivers will look at it from the back. And of course, no future electric car is complete without the future filter. There you go, the 2021 Tesla Model 3 refresh. Who said electric cars are boring? So, what do you think? Did I got it right? Tell me in the comments below. There's a ton of electric designs coming your way, so stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.